In this video, I will show you how to set up AT&T Internet Air. So AT&T Air is a 5G home internet service that uses AT&T All-Fi Hub. Most customers can self-install it in about 15 minutes using AT&T Smart Home Manager app. So the first thing is basically downloading the AT&T Smart Home Manager app. Before plugging anything, install the AT&T Smart Home Manager app and then sign in with your AT&T account. The app guides you through the entire setup process. Normally, if you have the device, you may find in the box a code or a QR code where to scan, as example, the QR code to take you to the exact location where to download the application. Then, once you download it and go through the process of installing it and entering your account, you'd like to place the All-Fi Hub. You'll find or you'll need to find the best location. So make sure to keep it near a window if possible, or higher off the floor, or in away, as an example, from thick walls or large metal objects. Better cellular network or signal usually means the better internet speed. Then, of course, once you're done with that, once you set it up or put it in a good location, you'll need to go and open the Smart Home Manager app and basically tap Setup Equipment. You can scan then the QR code on the bottom of the All-Fi Hub or in the front, wherever you have it, and the app should begin the activation process. Once you're done with that, of course, you can go and plug in basically the All-Fi Hub as well. Connect the power cable, plug the hub into the wall outlet, and wait for it to boot. The device may take several minutes to connect to the AT&T network. So on the box, you should find all the things that you need. So just go and plug everything together. And of course, just complete the activation in the application. Just follow the guided prompts, let the hub activate, and wait until the app confirms the setup is completed. Once you're done with that, you can just go and connect your devices. You can use the Wi-Fi information shown in the app or the label on the hub and connect your phones, laptops, TVs, or any other devices that you may have. So once you're done with that, you can go and also test your connection. Checks the website loads, streaming works, speed test completes successfully, and if the speed seems low, just move the hub closer to a window or try another room that have a better signal. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.